Hello and welcome to all. Today you are going to learn one of the most common grammar topic, punctuation. Now what is punctuation? Punctuation means is the art of putting in correct marks or stops in the appropriate places while writing so that the reader gets the correct meaning of what is written. So, some important marks of punctuation are: number one, the capital letter used to begin a sentence. For example, the boy was as happy as a lark. For proper nouns, Reena, the Yamuna, the Maharashtra, for this purpose also we are using the capital letter. Number third, for words like I and those referring to God, also we are using in capital letters. For example, I know that God will help me, or for He is all merciful. Now, second number, the full stop. We are using the full stop at the end of assertive and imperative sentences. For example, the dog ran out of the door. Walk slowly. One more example, after abbreviations and initial also we are using full stop. For example, MA, Master of Arts. Mrs. S.C. Nayak. For such things also we are using full stop. The comma. To make off a quotations from the rest of the sentence in direct speech we are using the comma. For example, Cinderella said, I have lost my slipper. Here we are using comma. And the third, to separate clauses in a sentence. For example, the policeman met the shopkeeper but he was not the thief. Again, in the third also we are using to separate the words in a list, also using the comma. For example, the rich prince owned car, motorcycles and boats. Again, the confectioners sold bread, biscuits, sweet, etc. Here also we are using comma. And finally we are using the comma to separate noun or names used to address someone from the rest of the sentence. For example, Priya, can you pass the salt please? Here also we are using the comma. Fourth type of punctuation is the exclamatory mark. The exclamatory mark is used at the end of an exclamation or interjection. For example, hurrah, it's a holiday tomorrow. Here also we are using the exclamation mark mostly at the end of an exclamatory sentence. For example, what a colorful rainbow. Now, fifth punctuation mark is the question. Question tags always we are using at the end of a question. For example, do you have enough money for the journey? And one more place we are using the question mark. For example, at the end of a question tag. For example, Sonali is angry, isn't she? We are using the question mark at the end. The dash. So we are using the dash after a series of a noun followed by a related idea. For example, dog, cat, donkeys, then dash all followed Noah into the ark. One more place we are using the dash like to separate an idea from another in a sentence, that is if necessary. For example, if only he had come dash, but it is too late now. Now the seventh punctuation mark is the hyphen. It is used to connect the parts of a compound word. For example, son-in-law, mouth watering, etc. Thanks for watching.